Most people will still be the exact same person 6 months from now. Same habits, same excuses, same distractions. Not because they cannot change, but because they never focus deeply on themselves long enough to transform. Modern life is designed to destroy your attention. The moment you wake up, something is already fighting for your focus. Before their brain is even fully awake, they check notifications, scroll social media, watch random videos, consume other people's lives before building their own, and they repeat this every single day. Then they wonder why they feel mentally weak. If you truly want to get ahead of 99% of people in the next 6 months, you need a period of complete focus. That is where monk mode comes in. Not as some internet trend, as a complete reset of your life. Monk mode is simple. You remove distractions and obsess over self-improvement for a period of time. That's it. But almost nobody can actually do it, because monk mode forces you to confront yourself. No more constant entertainment. No more escaping through dopamine. No more pretending you're busy while wasting hours online. And suddenly you realize how much time you actually have. 1 hour per day in the gym becomes a completely different body in 6 months. 2 hours per day learning a skill becomes hundreds of hours of mastery in a year. One focused year can completely separate you from who you are today. But most people never experience this because their attention is constantly fragmented. So here is how you actually enter monk mode. First, cut unnecessary dopamine. This is the hardest step for most people, because cheap dopamine is everywhere now. Endless scrolling, porn, constant gaming, mindless YouTube consumption, checking your phone every 5 minutes. These things destroy your ability to focus deeply. Your brain becomes addicted to stimulation, and then normal life starts feeling boring. Reading feels boring. Work feels boring. Training feels boring. But the problem is not the activity. The problem is your dopamine system has been overstimulated for years. So start reducing noise. Delete apps you waste time on. Stop consuming content all day. Create periods of silence, because silence rebuilds focus. Second, build a strict daily structure. Most people fail because they rely on motivation. Motivation is unreliable. Systems are powerful. Wake up at the same time, train at the same time, work at the same time. Turn discipline into routine, because when your habits become automatic, your life changes faster. A distracted person wakes up asking, "What do I feel like doing today?" A disciplined person wakes up already knowing what must be done. That difference changes everything. Third, train your body aggressively. Your physical state affects your mental state more than you think. Weak body, weak energy, weak discipline. But when you train consistently, something changes psychologically. You start respecting yourself more. You become more resilient, more confident, more stable emotionally. This is why so many successful people train regularly. Not just for appearance, for mental strength. Fourth, learn to be alone. This is where most people fail. The moment silence appears, they panic. They need music, notifications, distractions, people around them constantly. Because being alone forces self-awareness. But self-awareness is where growth begins. Some of the biggest changes in your life will happen in isolation, not at parties, not while scrolling online, in silence. Thinking, planning, working, improving. A man who can sit alone without needing constant stimulation becomes mentally dangerous, because his mind belongs to him again. Fifth, obsess over only one mission. Most people are scattered. Too many goals, too many distractions, too many unfinished projects. Pick one thing: building your body, making money, learning a high-value skill, fixing your mindset, and go all in. Because focused energy creates momentum. Look at people who completely changed their lives. The skinny guy who transformed his body. The broke guy who built a business. The insecure guy who became confident. It usually happened during a period where they disappeared from distractions and became obsessed with improvement. That is how you get ahead of 99% of people, quietly. While everyone else stays distracted, you build yourself in silence. So ask yourself honestly, where will you be 6 months from now? drop a comment below. And if this video spoke to you, make sure to like and subscribe. Now disappear for a while. Your future self will thank you.